Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to add and pair your Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Now adding your Bluetooth phone is quite easy. And now I will show you how to do it. You will first have to access the phone Bluetooth menu on the vehicle. So you want to press the config button. And now you want to scroll down under the phone settings. To do that, you want to turn this knob right to go down or left to go up. Once you come onto the phone settings, you want to press this button in to make the selection. Now you have a Bluetooth, press it again to select it, and now you have a couple of options. Device list, here you can see all your devices, so you can store up to 5 phones in GMC Terrain. There is none in mine, so I will press back. Now to add a Bluetooth phone, you want to select pair device phone and press this button in again.
Please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
Now you will get the code, and now you can proceed on your phone.
Once the search is complete,
start the
select
Bluetooth
General Motors on your phone and then enter the code 7018. Again, the code.
Okay, and now I will try to record the screen on my phone to show you how to do it on this end. So first, what you want to do, you want to press onto the Bluetooth button to access the Bluetooth menu on your phone. This will get you to the menu. Now you want to go under the available devices all the way down and press onto the General Motors, and once you do it, it should ask you for a code, and then you will enter the code which is displayed on the screen of your GMC Terrain. Okay, and the code is 9822 on my GMC. This is the code I'm getting right now, and I'm gonna press pair.
Please say the name tag you want associated with this phone.
Michael.
About to store.
Michael.
Does that sound okay?
Yes. Michael.
Has been successfully paired. Thank you. Goodbye.
And this is everything you have to do. And once you do this process, you will see the phone is paired with your GMC Terrain and you're able to make the phone calls. So if you go back, so config, all the way down to phone settings, Bluetooth, device list, so there is your phone is gonna be on the list. That's pretty much everything. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.